Hi everyone, once again welcome back to Stay Charming. My name is Pooja. In this video I'm going to make this super easy hairstyle, bun hairstyle. This is essential especially for those people having long hair. So without talking too much, let's get started. So to make this hairstyle, first of all I'm going to make puff, and the way I'm making this puff, you might have different style of making puff. This is the way I'm doing, but on everyday basis I don't back comb my hair. But in this video I'm back combing. This will help my puff to stay for a long time. Then secure it, twist your hair, then secure with the help of bobby pins or tic tac pins. You guys can follow me on Instagram. Also my Instagram handle is stay_charming07. If you are interested in lifestyle beauty related videos in Hindi, you can subscribe to my another channel which is beauty and creativity. After making puff, I am leaving some sections from both the sides, then make ponytail with the help of rubber band. Now divide it into two equal sections and start twisting one section. Then pull some hair from this section and then wrap it around the rubber band and secure it with the help of U-pins or bobby pins. We will repeat the same process with the other section also. We will twist that also and twist it, pull some hair and then secure with the help of U-pins. Now I'm taking this section from the left side which we did not took in the ponytail, and now twist it and wrap it around the bun and secure it with the help of U-pin. We'll repeat the same process on the other side also. Now push some section from the front to make your puff look better. Now our hairstyle is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it now and hit the bell button to get the notification of all the latest videos. Meet you in next video. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye bye, take care.